Hey everyone, and welcome to Entertainment and Celebrities Community Channel. In this video, we will discuss about Taekook spotted exiting from JK home car area after romantic rain or leave today. But first, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any update. So in this video, Taehyung and Jungkook both were seen together as Taehyung and Jungkook both were seen at JK home car side on leave today after a romantic rain. Yes, it was a rainy weather and then today this moment came as Taehyung and Jungkook were seen at that rainy weather and they spotted exiting from JK home car area today as Taekook both stayed there together, and this is what got shared today. So this was about the topic. Hope you like this update. See you in the next video. Bye bye.